Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Myself Hafsa Taj. I welcome you to Taste with Taj with a brand new recipe, chocolate chip cookies with whole wheat flour. Hope you guys are doing great. Let's see what ingredients we need. Half cup of butter on a room temperature, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, half cup of white sugar, 1 egg, few drops of vanilla essence, 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a pinch of salt, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. Do subscribe us with a bell notification so you can try yummy recipes like chocolate chip cookies, chocolate pudding, lava cake, chocolate banana bread, instant microwave brownie. Take care of yourself and others and make us your partners in taste. Fi Amanillah.